Hello students, first exercise, 10th question. Write at least 2 questions to find mean giving suitable data. Means we only create the 2 questions, find mean. See this answer. Question number 1 means find the arithmetic mean or mean of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these numbers. Arithmetic mean equal to, we know that formula. What is that? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum means 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. By how many observations total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Here total add 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 by 5. We'll get 4. What is this? Arithmetic mean or mean. And again second question. Create that second question. Question number 2. The income of a worker. The income of a worker for a week. Week means how many days? 7 days. Is how much? 2100 take. For example, 2100. So what is his daily average income? So average. Daily average income means sum of all observations by number of observations. 1 week means sum of all days. 2100 by how many days? 7. Do cancellation. 7 threes means 300. So what is this? Rupees. So therefore, what is this? Average daily income. Daily income. How much? 300 rupees. Second exercise. First question. Long jumps by 7 students of a team are 98 centimeters, 125 centimeters, 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 174 centimeters, 140 and 155 centimeters. Find their mode. They given some data. Find the mode of the data. Answer. Given observations. Given observations. In centimeters. What they given? In centimeters. 98, 125, 140, 155, 174, 140 and 155. They given data. In that, what is mode? Mode means repeated value. Repeated value is called mode. So here write the repeated value. What is repeated here? Number. Observe. 140 is repeated and 155 also repeated. But take only one. Otherwise 2 also we can take. 140 is repeated value. So therefore mode equal 140 centimeters. Here mode is 155 also repeated. See here, and 140 also repeated. Having 2 or 3 modes also we can have 155. If in case in exam only one option means write only one. Otherwise write 2 modes. 140 and 155. Second question. Ages of players in cricket team 25, 26, 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27, 29. And first question, find the mean and mode of the data. Second one, find the minimum number of players to be added to the above team so that mode of the data changes and what must be their ages. See this answer. Ages of cricket players. So 25, 26 and 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27 and 29. They given ages of cricket players. For that, first question, find mean. We know that mean. What is mean formula? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Number of observations. Sum. Add this total. 25 plus 26 plus 25 plus 27 plus 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 27 plus 33 plus 27 plus 29 by how many observations total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total number of observations 11. This total add will get 308. 308 by 11. Here do cancellation with 11. 11 2s 22, 11 8s 88. Means in that what is the value of this is mean of the average. They given mean equal to 28. The repeated value. Repeated value is called mode. Means which number is repeated? 27. So 27 is mode. Mode equal to 27. Next, second question. Further, there are 3 players ages 27 and 2 players of age is 25. Means write this sentence. There are 3 players. 3 players of age 27 and 2 players. 2 players of age 25. In order to change mode. In order to change mode. Mode means what? Repeated value is called mode. So mode, we need to 2 more players or peoples of age 25. So that mode will be what is 25. So therefore mode equal to 25. So when 2 players of age 25 must be added. Must be added. Third question, find the mode of the following data: 12, 24, 36, 46, 25, 38, 72, 36, 25, 38, 12, 24, 46, 25, 12, 24, 46, 25, 72, 12, 24, 36, 25, 38 and 36. Mode means what? Repeated value. In this, which number is repeated? Here observe, 25 is number of times repeated. Here 25, 25. Here also 25, 25. So for this, what is mode? 25. See this answer. Answer, given data, write all observations 12, 24, 36, 46, 25, 38, 72 and 36, 25, 38, 12, 24, 46, 25, 12, 24, 46, 25 and 72, 12, 24, 36, 25, 38 and 36. In that, what is repeated value? So more number of times repeated value. Here 36 observe 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 25 observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 is more will be. So more is there. The repeated value equal to 25. So which is repeated value? That is called mode. So therefore mode equal to 25. Which number is repeated? That is called mode.